The GoPro Hero 14 is coming, and the leaks are wild. From jaw-dropping new features to major design upgrades, this could be the biggest leap in GoPro history. In this video, we're diving into everything we know so far, leaked specs, expected release dates, and the features that might just blow your mind. Let's get into it. There's a lot of buzz around the GoPro Hero 14, and one of the most exciting parts is the rumor about a brand new image sensor. GoPro has been using the same old sensor for a while, even in the Hero 13. But now we might finally see a serious upgrade, possibly even a large 1-inch sensor. If that's true, it could mean much clearer videos in darker settings, better color in tricky lighting, and overall sharper footage. And here's the big one. 8K video might finally be coming to a GoPro. That means super high quality footage you can crop and resize without losing detail. Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Thanks to GoPro's special 8:7 aspect ratio, creators could shoot once and edit from multiple platforms. The Hero 13 already wowed us with 5.3K at 120 frames per second and 4K at 240 frames per second. But the Hero 14 might push those numbers even higher, possibly 5.3K at 240 frames per second. That's ultra-smooth slow motion, great for fast action like sports, stunts, or wildlife. GoPros have always struggled a bit in low light. The Hero 13 tried to improve things, but night shots still looked grainy or dull. If this new sensor is real, the Hero 14 could finally fix that. Night scenes, underwater videos, or dimly lit rooms might actually look clean, bright, and full of color, without needing a ton of editing. And here's something a lot of people have been asking for: better sound. The Hero 13 needed a bulky media mod for good audio, but the Hero 14 might support wireless Bluetooth mics straight out of the box. That means easier, cleaner sound for vloggers, travelers, and creators who film solo. If true, it will be a huge step forward. The GoPro Hero 14 isn't just about better specs. It's about making things easier and more flexible for creators. Earlier GoPros allowed users to swap out lens mods, and they were a hit. With the Hero 14, we might get even more lens choices, like a zoom lens or underwater options. What's even more interesting is the idea that the camera could automatically recognize which lens you attach and adjust its settings on its own. That means less time fiddling in the menu and more time capturing the moment. Battery life has always been a concern, especially for people filming outdoors or in rough weather. The Hero 13 brought in a stronger 1900 mAh battery, but the Hero 14 could bump that up to 2100 mAh. That's not just a bigger number. It could mean longer recording times, better performance in cold environments like snowboarding or mountaineering, and more reliable shooting in the heat. GoPro has started exploring smart features, but the Hero 14 could take things much further with AI. Imagine your camera sorting through your clips for you, picking out the highlights, and putting together a short edit, all while you're still out shooting. It could even upload your content to the cloud in real time. For busy content creators or people who travel a lot, that's a huge time saver. Price-wise, it looks like GoPro will stick to familiar ground, somewhere between $400 and $450. That still makes it a premium action camera, but cheaper than many high-end mirrorless or DSLR setups. There will probably be bundles too, with useful extras like mounts, batteries, and lens mods, especially for GoPro subscribers who often get early access and bonus gear. If GoPro keeps to its usual schedule, we'll likely see the Hero 14 drop around September 2025. And with strong competition from companies like DJI and Insta360, GoPro really needs this release to stand out. Based on what we're hearing so far, better sensor, smarter features, wireless audio, and more shooting options, the Hero 14 might just be the upgrade fans have been waiting for.